In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a simple timeline slide in PowerPoint, and this is how the slide works. As you can see here, I've created this arrow with different colors in between, and when I click it will show the option from each color. So when I click, you can see here this is my data 1. You can add a year or you can add some title also here. When I click, it will come data 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Please share, like and subscribe my channel, and the only channel on YouTube for PowerPoint where you can get 1000 plus free templates absolutely free. And I have provided the link on the video description section of each video, and you can support my channel through PayPal or Patreon. So let's start the tutorial. Add a new slide and change the slide background to any light color background. Then go to view, enable the guides, go to insert shapes. From the rectangles, I'm going to select this rectangle, just click it here, go to the shape format, and the width I'm going to make it as 1.7 and the height I'm going to make it as 0.17. okay, so it looks something like this, and place it exactly here. All right, and then shape outline, make it no outline. Then I'm going to duplicate this almost like 6 to 7 times. So you can hold the Control Shift key and just drag it here. You can see here, make sure there should not be any space between this one. So if I just give some different color, you can see here this is the different color, right? So now I'm going to select both of these, hold the Control Shift key and then do this one. Again I'm going to do this, all right, and one time. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 and one more time 7. okay, so here I'm just going to give a little bit space. All right, so this is my 6 or 7 options I have created, 7 text boxes. So now we have to give a different color to it. Okay, so that coloring part we can just do it later, but before that one, let me just add few more shapes. So go to the rectangles, I'm going to choose a rounded corner rectangle. So draw a rounded corner rectangle exactly the same size. You can make the height depending on the requirement. Shape outline, make it no outline. Shape fill, I'm going to fill this with white color. Go to insert shapes, and I'm going to select one rectangle. Draw a rectangle only at the top part of that one. So I'm going to cut the this into 2 pieces or 2 shapes. Okay, so one shape, select this one, hold the shift key, select this rectangle, go to the merge shape and say fragment. So delete this one. Now you can see here we have cut this into 2 pieces. So now this shape I'm going to give any color of my choice, and the same color I'm going to give it here. All right, so this is my very first one. Then I would like to give a kind of a shadow effect. For this, go to insert shapes. From the basic shapes, I'm going to choose a right triangle, draw a right triangle. All right, shape outline, make it no outline, and shape fill, I'm going to fill this with black. Then right mouse click, go to the format shape, increase the transparency to almost 80%, and then go to rotate. I'm going to make it flip vertical and then flip horizontal. Let me just zoom in and then align it properly so that it looks kind of a shadow effect which is coming from this. Okay, so once this is done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select these shapes, press Ctrl D, and I'm going to bring this down. Why? I'm going to do it for, I'm going to save this for the later use. So now the next thing which I'm going to do is I'm going to add some information. Go to insert text box. I'm going to say data 01, or you can just add any title of your choice. Make sure it is bold. All right, and going to change the font color to white, and then go to insert text box. I'm going to equals LOREM within brackets 1. I don't want this much large text, so I'm going to delete this, reduce the font size to maybe 14, center align, and put it here. Okay, if you want, you can just give some gray color to it. So once this is done, I'm going to select all these objects, this one, this, by holding the shift key, and press Ctrl G to group it, so it becomes one group. Sorry, even this also, press Ctrl G to become one group, so it is one group now. Now hold the Control Shift key, add it or move towards the right side to duplicate this. So this is my second option, this is my third option, okay, and this is my fourth option. So now we have this also, so I'm going to select this one, press Ctrl G and rotate it. You can see here I'm just going to make it flip vertical and I'm going to place this one here. All right, and this text I'm going to copy, Ctrl C, click outside, Ctrl V, and then I'm going to paste this one here and this text here. Now let's group this as well. Make sure that you have to align it properly and press Ctrl G, hold the Control Shift key, drag it towards this side now. So almost we have done this one. So this is my data 2 now. I'm going to just change the labels. This is data 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So once this is done, what we need to do is we have to change the color. So now I'm going to use the same color here. So I'm going to put the same color. Here I'm going to give maybe kind of red. Here also I'm going to choose the red color. You can see here. Then here I would like to use some kind of a purple. I'm going to choose this purple. And here also the same purple color. So depending on the requirement, you can just choose any color of your choice. So I can just give any color here to look more kind of now this is a pink. Let me just give the pink color here, and maybe I can just give some brown color here. Same brown color here I'm giving. And in the beginning also I can just duplicate this and give some different color here, some light gray color. Go to the shape format, reduce the width, okay, and I can just put it here exactly. More I can reduce. Let me just zoom in. You can see here this is my starting point. For that I'm going to insert one small oval shape here at the beginning. The same color I'm going to use, no outline, and I'm going to put it like this. So select both of these, press Ctrl D to duplicate and move this aside here. Let me just zoom in again. And this one I'm going to change the shape to arrow or this right triangle or triangle only, and then this one, both of this union, both of this also I'm going to make it as a union. All right, so you can see here our design is ready. Now what we have to do, the animation. So go to the animations, enable the animation pane. So first I'm selecting add animation, more entrance effects. For this I'm going to choose peek in, click OK. If you want, you can make it fast also. Go to the timings and you can make it like 0.3, which comes very fast. Now select this one, animation painter, click on this. Now instead of from the bottom, you have to select from top. Okay, it comes something like this. All right, so now it's very easy. I'm going to select one by one. So for this I have to select here, for this, and then this one, and then the last one. So if I play the slide, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7.